In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use match function in Google Sheets. By the end, you'll know how to find the position of a value inside a list, which is super handy for lookups and building smarter spreadsheets. First, decide what you want to search for and type that value into cell D2. This could be a product name like product B, a number, or any specific item you're trying to locate. Using a cell for the search value keeps things flexible, so you can change the target later without editing the formula. Just make sure you type it exactly as it appears in your list to avoid mismatches. Next, identify the lookup range, the single column or single row where your items are listed. For example, if your product names are in A2 through A5, that range is A2, A5. It's important that this range is one-dimensional, either one column tall or one row wide, not a whole table. Also, keep the data type consistent. If you're searching for text, the range should contain text, and the same goes for numbers. Now, enter the match formula in cell E2. Type equals match, open parenthesis, D2, comma, A2, A5, comma, 0, close parenthesis. It should look like this. H match D2, A2, A5, 0. Here's what each part means. D2 is the lookup value, A2, A5 is the range you're searching, and the 0 tells Google Sheets to find an exact match. That 0 is important. Without it, match can behave differently and return unexpected positions based on sorted data. With 0, it only returns a result if it finds the exact value. After you press enter, you'll see a number. That number is the position of your item within the range you selected. For example, if product B is in A3 and your range starts at A2, match will return 2 because it's the second item within A2 to A5. Remember, match gives you the index, not the actual value. That's by design, and it's what makes match useful for building more complex lookups. If you get an error like "A," it usually means the value isn't in the range or there's a typo or extra spaces. Make sure the value in D2 matches the list exactly and check for hidden spaces. Match is not case sensitive, so capitalization won't affect the result. That's all there is to it. Choose your search value in D2, define a single column or single row range like A2, A5, and use equals match D2, A2, A5, 0 to return the position of that item with an exact match.